This was me a year ago, deadlifting 155 pounds for around 5 to 7 reps. And this is me deadlifting 420 pounds for 1 rep max. How did I add almost 300 pounds on my deadlift in less than a year? Because yaad rakha, 3 mahine lockdown tha. So my deadlift could have been 450. Not complaining. But how did I do it? Let's find out. So, first things first, before we move on with the video, I wanted to figure out what kind of deadlift you want to do, either conventional or sumo. मैं खुद personally sumo deadlift prefer करता हूँ because मेरी height 6'4" है and it's kind of a cheat code for me because I have to move less area. बट अगर आपकी हाइट 6 से कम है तो आई प्रेफर कि आप लोग कन्वेंशनल डेडलिफ्ट करो बिकॉज उससे ज्यादा रेंज ऑफ मोशन रहेगा एंड बेटर हाइपरट्रोफी गेन्स रहेंगे. विद दैट आउट ऑफ द वे, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज ट्राई एंड फेल एंड देन फिगर आउट व्हिच वन वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर यू. पर्सनली मैं हफ्ते में 2 बार सुमो डेडलिफ्ट करता हूँ और 1 बार कन्वेंशनल डेडलिफ्ट करता हूँ. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म, फ्रीक्वेंसी. यानी कि हफ्ते में कितनी बार डेडलिफ्ट करना आपको. आई वुड सजेस्ट you start with doing sumo or conventional deadlifts twice a day on your pull days. Conventional deadlift से first of all एक hypertrophy based full strength increase हो जाती है मेरी leg days पे. Then after 48 hours of rest मैं strength focused sumo deadlift करता हूँ. rep range रहता है 2 से 6 के बीच. मैं rep range पे थोड़ा डिटेल में जाऊंगा ये वीडियो में, but before that I want you to start doing your preferred deadlift on pull days starting with once a week, and as our training cycle progresses week 3 या week 4 के बाद introduce it twice a week. रेप रेंज सुमो डेडलिफ्ट में मैं करता हूँ 2 से 8 के बीच. कन्वेंशनल डेडलिफ्ट में मेरी रेंज रहती है 6 से 10 के बीच में, अबाउट एन RPE 8. अगर आपको RPE के बारे में नहीं मालूम, क्लिक दिस वीडियो व्हिच इज सजेस्टेड टू यू राइट नाउ एंड गो वॉच इट. सुमो डेडलिफ्ट का RPE शुड बी अराउंड 90% ऑफ योर 1 rep max एंड कन्वेंशनल डेडलिफ्ट का RPE शुड बी अबाउट 8. अगर आपको लोअर बैक पे इफेक्ट आना चालू होता है कन्वेंशनल में, I would suggest going sumo. भले ही आपकी हाइट कम है, it's better being safe than sorry. Next thing up, diet. I would suggest eating at a maintenance or a carbohydrate rich caloric surplus. मेरी जो 420 deadlift है वो अभी मैंने कट पे मारी है. Those who watch my vlogs, you guys know. ये है मेरा breakfast, protein pancakes. And मैं कल सिर्फ 6 से 8 घंटे से और मेरा ट्रेन करने का बिल्कुल मूड नहीं है. But we have deadlifts आज. I don't think I will be shooting it. And मेरा tripod भी है नहीं मेरे पास. My friend has it. I'll have this. I'll edit the video and then I'll see you guys later. And we all know how that works. Best split to follow. I would suggest a legs push-pull split where you can hit your deadlifts twice a week. Next up, accessory bodybuilding movements. As we all know, deadlift is a full body compound exercise, which means a lot of muscles are activated. I would suggest training your glutes, your biceps of your hamstrings and upper traps more frequently and more intensely than your other bodybuilding accessory movements such as your quads. Quads include होते हैं deadlift में but not to a much greater extent. It all depends on your inner thigh mobility. But the most important muscle you should train as an accessory bodybuilding movement is your lower back. Lower back extension or glute ham raise or भले ही squats. Yes, squats से lower back strength होगा, which in turn will make your deadlifts progress. It's all a part of a plan. It's all part of a process you should trust. Make sure to train all these important muscles at least twice a week again with an RPE of 8 to 9. Bodybuilding accessories which I use are a lifting belt, chalk, lifting straps and shoes. I personally do not deadlift with my shoes on my sumo days, but I use them on my conventional deadlift days because उससे ज़्यादा better stretch and range of motion रहेगा. And conventional deadlift, again, I use it as a bodybuilding strength movement. Chalk and lifting straps to improve your grip strength so that lockout के time पे problem ना हो, and a lifting belt to support your lower back from shattering because you're going to be doing a lot of deadlifts. Okay, the last thing, but my favorite thing which I have used to blow up my deadlift is cheating. You must be wondering what do I mean by that, right? Okay, so here's the thing. I want you to use 2 35-pound plates below your deadlift bar. कि मेरी हाइट 6'4" है एंड मेरे जिम के प्लेट्स छोटे हैं, इसके लिए मैं यूज करता हूँ हफ्ते में 1 बार. आई डेडलिफ्ट ट्वाइस अ वीक, तो उसमें से 1 बार मैं इसको रैक पुल करता हूँ. आप नॉर्मल रैक पुल स्क्वाट रैक में कर सकते हो, बट दिस इज मोर इफेक्टिव because your lower back and all your other accessory bodybuilding parts will also be included in deadlifts. So I would suggest doing this. But guys, in the end, the most important thing I would suggest is patience, because this is a marathon and not a race. Even though some people might think कि 6 months is a short period of time, मैं जानता हूँ कि उसको कितना hard work and मेहनत and diet में restrictions लगे. So keep in mind, it's always you versus you and do your best. Anyways guys, ये था आज का वीडियो. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये चीज़ सीखने को मिलेगी, and I'll see you guys in my vlogs. And for those of us who are willing to work our asses off, to us I say, success is always good. Cheers guys, stay relentless.